So, congratulations, Jerome Diamond Hand Powell just tanked the market. Okay, congratulations. And guys, let me tell you this. I was yesterday exactly at this spot and was telling you if he's not selling or not saying the right thing, I consider to sell all my position. Now, it's clear to me that he didn't say the right words, but he meant the right things, okay? So I'm coming to the conclusion and give you directly the cheese up front, okay? I believe that Jerome Powell has, before anything else, a communication problem, okay? There's a lot of this political speech and everything, and I will give you it right to your face because I cannot bear anymore that what is going on. So let's have a look into the market really quick. As Jerome Powell was at this Wall Street Journal event, right? He was asked some economic questions, right? Unemployment, inflation, bond yields, right? And he gave basically pretty much to every question always the same answers. We have some parameters which we think are very far in the future, and according to those, we will raise and do our other actions. Okay? And the reporter was asking about other questions. And he basically said, as I said, we have these parameters, and these parameters are, inflation, which you don't cease, unemployment, real unemployment improvements, right? And the bond yield, he just said he observes it, all right? So let me break you down in plain English. I think what he meant is that they are far from raising the interest rates because of the current situation. Yes, we have maybe an, temporary uptick in the economy, but that's it, okay? This economy still is broken down, all right? We went to very big lows and now coming back slowly. Obviously, the slowly improvement is like a 10, 20, 30% raise, and the GDP looks crazy with this growth numbers of 10%, but in the end of the day, we are shattered on the bottom, and I think what we are currently seeing in the market is an unbelievable great buying opportunity. So you can imagine that I'm not selling my assets. I need to figure out how to get more money to invest into the market, and I will just lean back and enjoy the show of recovery. When it will be? Maybe just on the 17th of March, because then there's another Fed meeting, an official one, where they talk about some steps. And maybe then he announced what everybody was anticipating from the economist side on the stock market, which is extending some tools for the bank. I will try to explain in a very easy terms. To let the banks buy bonds, which then, let them relax a little bit, right? Lean back a little bit. But yeah, guys, I just think that this is a great opportunity. Like, look into the market. Here, down right, I mean, the S&P is down 1.17%, the Dow about 1%, the Nasdaq 2%, obviously because the big tech is hitting hard here. Space down 6.7%, now under the $30 mark. Tesla at 610. Piton 103. VIX is going up, obviously, right? Sorry, that's not the VIX. That's 5-year treasury. But let me see if I can. I don't have here the. I don't have the VIX, but the VIX must be up also crazy. Let's have a look. Yeah, the VIX is also up 10%. Now, as he was speaking, the rates of the Treasury 10-year yields went up dramatically. Okay, as you can see, as he spoke, it went up because of the reason that I just talked about. So it's really, really interesting what's going on. However, basically what I wish he would say is, like, in very plain, simple English, to say, we don't see an inflation or no dangerous inflation. We will keep the rates low for a very long time, at least until 2023, as we said. And if the bond yield market goes further such crazy moves, we obviously will have some tools to do something. This would be very easy and plain English to understand for everybody who's invested into the stock market. And then, we could have a recovery. But we have get to this bottom by our own. Thanks, you have me to explain that. I mean, there was great coverage also by Meet Kevin. Credit to him. There was also other, I think, YouTubers for sure that explained it a little bit maybe better even than me. But hey, I'm trying my best here to just pick up those political sentence, put it into the plain English machine and spit it out for you, so you have a gourmet 5-course that you can digest for yourself and buy more stocks. Okay? Do you just got money from your job? Put it into stocks. Do you got money from your grandmother? Put it into stocks. I believe this downturn right now is one of the greatest opportunities since March lows, because it's like a breather. And I'm happy about this recovery. This downturn a little bit, because it looks like absolutely madness on the markets. Okay, and every weekend need to get flushed out so they can come back at some point and eat our rest of the dinner. Okay, because we always need some other guys that buy or spend a little bit more than we spend for stocks. That's all it is about the stock market game. Okay, so summarized, I think I'm totally staying in all my positions. First of all, second of all, I think the money printing madness will go on, and I think Jerome Powell just cannot say it in plain English because of his position. Let's say political standards. All right, in the end of the day, he is the chairman of the Federal Reserve Bank of United States of America. But I feel that this is a great opportunity, guys. Okay. If you would love to have some stocks cheaper, even up to 30% from Tesla highs. Tesla hit $900, which I believe they deserve to be there, and now they are at $600. It's Christmas, guys, okay? And if you don't pull the trigger, then you might lose another opportunity until we see another run, because the bull market will not end. Okay, it just got restarted. We had crazy highs in February last year, then we had the crash, a reset, and now we have a 10% reset of what we saw in March last year. So it's a great opportunity. Obviously, at no point of time this is financial advice, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. I don't recommend to buy or sell stocks. Obviously, this is just what I'm doing. So I hope you enjoyed it. Just a little clarification why Jerome Powell tanked the market and also has a communication problem. And with that said, I wish you a fantastic Thursday or rest of Thursday, right? Chill a little bit. Chill, buy a little bit stocks if you want to, and chill and enjoy the show. Maybe tomorrow we will have another red day into the weekend. All the weekends are grabbing now the dollars that they're seeing on the bar. after they had some drinks. So you can see here the mindset of the people, of retail investors. They're now scared, and this is the opportunity that you can take to be more wealthy. So either you take it or get out of here.